So the question was posed by the school board, well, how do you know this works? How do you know that project-based learning is really going to make a difference? For me, the answer came back to, we know that when we focus on the 4 E's, we know that when we focus on the output of the 6 C's, and we surround that with project-based learning, that it will have an impact. And so we just started basically baseline data, a collection around, is this truly working? So on the screen before you, you can see that our initial data review, and this was really beginning of the year to middle of the year data that you're looking at, but we really was looking at growth data. So you can see that there was a correlation, a 0.5 correlation between the use of defined learning and growth within our schools. Then we went back to examine that data. Our chief of systems went back to examine the data to really look at the top 5 schools that were high-end users of a resource that we had provided for the use of project-based learning. And so we know that the growth percentile of those top 5 schools, you were looking at a percentile of 58.27 for our top 5 schools that actually said, I do want to use this. And we can see the difference with project-based learning that it's making with our students. One of the top 5 users, this specific school, Bloomingdale Elementary, that I want to highlight, is a complex Title I school. Over 79% of their students participate in our National School Lunch Program. Look at the growth percentile for that high complex school. And I know here today, I'm probably preaching to the choir, but I know that project-based learning works. And the data that's before you, it shows that project-based learning works. We have to have traditional learning, but we also have to have transformational learning. We have to have the sticky learning that works. We have to have the foundations of literacy in place. And with the foundations of literacy in place, we have to push our students even more, push our adult learners even more. And we have to have them to have our students engage more. And through that engagement, we truly see as a district that project-based learning is an avenue that we want to continue to grow upon.